关掉。
把什么关掉？
你看啊，可以。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, all my customers. This is the camera again. So today I will continue to introduce you our equipment for mattress production and also for textile, for bed linens. So first one, I would like to introduce you the mattress border solution. Come follow me. This is a small line for, especially for mattress border production. It consists of two parts. This is the linear quilting machine to make the straight line on the border, and this is the double head flanging machine to overlock both sides of the mattress border. So on this machine, it is a chain stitch type. So there's no need to change the bobbin. There's no use of bobbin. So it will use looper type, the chain stitch type. And on this machine, we can do several jobs. For example, it not only make the straight lines, but also can attach ribbons, can attach zippers, can attach some decorative items like this one. So even this one, the linear quilting machine, it can work independently itself, but it can also work together with the double head flanging machine if you have a need to overlock the both sides of the border. So take a closer look of the process. 我来一把 ，OK。喂，喂。Okay. So what are you watching? It's the looper type linear quilting machine. This is the raw material. Currently, we are loading for 4 layers of materials: the woven fabric for the up fabric, and 1 layer of fiber, 1 layer of foam, and finally 1 layer of non-woven fabric as the bottom fabric. So, and here we can load some ribbons. Also, we have some gas for the ribbons for the zippers. So, this is a not very complicated, but very productive, very practical equipment for the mattress production. Each 1 minute can produce like about 3 meters, 1 minute. So it's quite productive. 我想给他们开一下，可以吗？我不会开。OK， 那我们给大家介绍下一款，好吧 ？So now I would like to continue for the next machine. 这个我会，好吧？这个我会。你可以拍到这个。 来拍到这个。Okay, just now I've showed the operation of the second machine, which is a semi-automatic tape-bed machine for closing the edge of the mattress. It is a very classical and easy operation and very essential. 这个你能开吗？那个研究一下。This is a very practical and essential equipment for mattress production. And also, we have bulk production for this equipment. So each year we can produce nearly 1,000 sets of this machine. So it's quite mature and maintenance free. Okay. So at the corner, the speed is up to 3,000 RPM of the sewing head, and at the corner it will automatically slow down the speed of stitches to keep the best quality of stitching and make the mattress is perfectly round. So if you have any inquiry or interest in this machine, we can deliver to you in a very fast pace. Okay, this is simple. Okay, let's move to the third one. 从这边。And the third one is new equipment. It's called quilting embroidery machine. It is a combination of quilting function and embroidery function. So it can make patterns like embroidery, for example, logo, and also it can make the quilting effect. It's very a practical equipment for duvets, for sofa covers, bed covers, and even for car seats. So, and even for much border, because in the near future we are going to publish one new edition to integrate the cutters inside of the machine. So after quilting, it will cut into mattress borders. In this way, we can produce mattress borders in a very productive way. Now, I would like to show you the running condition. The running. Okay, this is how it's running. This machine has a speed of 1,000 RPM. 1,000 RPM of the stitching speed. So, for example, like this kind of pattern, every hour it can produce like 40 meters. So, this machine is able to make very exquisite, very complex patterns, which cannot made on the chain stitch or lock stitch quilting machine. This is the advantage of this machine. It can make very complicated designs. And also, we have a model with a thread trimmer. So when it's making the tag jump patterns, it can automatically cut the thread. So this is very practical functional. Okay, so next. Yes, the automatic tape edge machine. 这个吧，这个吧。Now, I would like to continue to introduce you our automatic tape edge machine, which is behind of me. This machine, it's an upgrade version of the semi-automatic one. So, we designed this model to decrease the need of manpower. So it makes the tape edging process more easy, more efficient. And for example, this machine have a function of automatic flipping mattress. And automatic rotating the mattress. So on the traditional tape edge machine, when we finish one side of the tape edge, when we need to flip the mattress, it is very heavy. So it's quite difficult for a woman operator. But on this machine, it will automatically do this job on the machine. So even a lady operator is quite easy for them to finish this job. And also it's expandable to connect with conveyors to optimize your production of mattress, to optimize. And also this is a trend in the world to optimize your mattress production, no matter how high level of the automation, but you need to introduce some level of the automation to decrease the manpower and to increase the productivity, to increase the efficiency, and to let your mattress production more technology, to bring more technology to your mattress production. So, it uses the same head of the single, has a stitching speed of 3000 RPM. So it's quite fast, but also you can choose puff. You can choose a puff head or a Zolytech head. It's available. It's available. So this machine is also not so complicated, but very useful, very essential to your production. Okay. So for this machine, if you have any question, we are happy to receive your inquiries, to receive your questions about the machine. Okay, I would like to move to next step. 没关系，你先弄吧。Okay. Now I would like to introduce you our new publishment, which is a mattress tufting machine. So it's right behind me. It's for high end. So many customers, many people don't know the function of this machine. It's for tufting process. As we can see, if I want to show you, it's like so it's to make very high-end mattress with this equipment. We are using the world brand Zolytech cylinders. 那个没有啊，哪个样品上有花的？我去，没有花吗？哦，这里扎了孔都没有花。OK， 这个有花，这个啊。So is to make this process。这个能不能拍一下？算了，好吧。这个给它动一下吧。So we lift up this machine and we put the mattress inside. Maximum we can the mattress head up to 52 centimeter. So it's for very luxury mattress. And then we can lower down this clip and rotate it. So now we can do the process. We can do the mattress tufting to make your luxury mattress. And there is a quite simple operation, but very useful product, very useful equipment. Okay, what else? So we are happy to receive any of your inquiries, your questions. We have our specialist to give you very prompt reply and professional replies. Okay, so 再讲一讲那个锁边机，好吧？来吧。So this is a new release, very robust machine for mattress tufting. 太小了就不讲，来讲这个。Okay. So finally, I would like to introduce you our very dominant product, which is the mattress panel production, mattress panel quilting machine. So this machine, we have a very strong machine design, machine body, and this is quite welcomed. It's quite welcomed in the market. It's a chain stitch type machine. The speed is up to 1,300 RPM, so it's quite productive. It's quite productive. It can make continuous pattern and also can make tap jump pattern, the independent pattern, which looks more high end. And also we have different languages of the operating system. On this system, you can make your own design. It's like a simplified AutoCAD in this system. So please have a look. Have a look at the user interface. 咱们看一下界面吧。Okay. Now it's in English, this user interface. But also we have a Spanish version, we have a Portuguese version, we have Arabic version. So it's so easy to operate by your label, And also this is a very mature technology, but for us, because we have been selling this machine for over 20 years all over the world. And also, it's quite important that we have after-sales service points all over the world. So it's whenever you need after-sales service, we can arrange from the nearest point to come to you. Okay. So on this machine, we are using. It has a 3 needle bar, and under needle bar number 1 and number 3, we have a half-inch needle distance. Half-inch needle distance. This on the common models, it's 1 inch needle distance. So what is the difference between the half-inch and the 1 inch needle distance? Let me explain you. The half-inch needle distance allows us to make a little more patterns, especially the double line pattern. But also, which is the most important, is that when we have an integrated slitting system, so combine the slitting system and the half-inch needle distance, we can make much borders with the effect of flanging, with the effect of set overlock. So this is the key importance of this function, half-inch needle distance. It allows us to make much borders with the overlock effect. Okay. So, and also we have safety protection. If the machine is running and we got illegal operation, the machine will automatically stop. And also we have a thread breaking detector. If breaking thread, the machine will also automatically stop. Okay, let's go to the back side of the machine. So, on the back side of this machine, I would like to introduce you, firstly, the slitting system, which is integrated on the quilting machine. It will allow us to make much borders in a large scale. And also combined with the half-inch needle distance, it can make much borders with overlock effect. And also, very important is that on the main shaft, we are using the best quality of bearings. Okay, exactly is imported from Japan. It is Asachi brand. Or sometimes we are using the same quality, same level bearings from Japan, which is NSK. So on the main shaft, we are using the best quality components to greatly decrease the possibility of maintenance and to make the machine moving very smoothly for longer time. And also we have safety protection. We have a switch to turn on and turn off the slitting system, and we have a button to automatically give you the position of adjusting the looper and needles. On the traditional model, you have to rotate the main shaft manually. So it has a relatively high requirement of the operator to adjust here. And also, this space is larger than the normal models, normal brands. So this gives a more comfortable space for the operators to adjust the loopers and needles. Okay, so This is a very brief introduction of this machine. And this is our best seller actually. We have been selling this machine to all over the world, and it's getting a very good reputation. So, okay, next I would like to introduce you the mattress hemming station. This mattress hemming station is recently getting more and more popular in China market because we are facing an issue is that young people nowadays is not willing to work in a factory, and this makes the factories more difficult to find workers, to find the skilled workers, to find laborers. So this machine, this is the reason why it's getting more and more popular. This is a cutting machine, but not only cutting, at the same time it can overlock the sides, the floor side of the mattress panel. So this is the mattress panel cutting machine with overlock effect, especially when you are processing materials over 4 centimeters. It is very necessary to overlock the side, the edges, because if not, it will bring difficulty to the temperature process. So, but when you are processing materials below 4 centimeters, then it's good to skip the flanging process. Okay, so if you have over medium production scale and your material is like 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, this is a very essential equipment for you to increase your production efficiency, to decrease the need of skilled operator. And also, we have 3 sewing heads on this machine. The sewing head is also chain stitch type. So it means it does not use the bobbin, because if you use the bobbin, we have to change the bobbin very oftenly. So that's why we're using the chain stitch type, and to make it work for a long time continuously. And also here we can very easily to change the cutting dimension. For example, you have a single bed, you have double size, king size. So we can store for different size with a task. For example, king size we set for 10 pieces, and double size we set for 100 pieces. So it will finish the task one by one. Okay, it's quite a easy operation and user-friendly. Okay, to the back side. This is an exit of a hemming station. We have a motorized belt, and this is, as you can see, how we get after the hemming station. Okay, and also we can connect with this machine a panel stacker machine. Without that, you have to use 2 laborers to make it a stack. So with a stacking machine, it makes a very complete production line. It's a fully automatic production line to greatly decrease the labor cost and increase the technology of production. Okay. So today the live streaming is going to end, and if you have any questions or inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact Zolytech. You can find Zolytech from YouTube, from Facebook, from many social media channels. So tomorrow at the same time, Cameron will be waiting for you here. At that time, you can put up some maybe questions. I'm happy to give you an answer. Okay. See you. Bye bye.